Do you know how Boeing's giant aircraft parts are transported? Wings, fuselage segments, and giant engine compartments are so large that ordinary trucks or containers cannot handle the job. That's why a giant cargo plane called Dreamlifter is used. Transporting giant parts by ship with a roll-off operation. There is no crane or lifting in this system. Giant aircraft parts are loaded directly onto ramped ro-ro ships with wheeled platforms. Companies like Boeing place giant wings and fuselage sections on special vehicles, and these vehicles are driven into the ship's ramp that extends to the shore. Harnessing the power of the wind is no ordinary task, but for Felbermayr, it is a part of everyday life. The giant wind turbine blades, measuring over 60 meters in length, have to negotiate tight bends, steep slopes, and country roads. This is where Felbermayr's special multi-axle transport platforms and extendable trailers with hydraulic steering come into play. Perkins STC transportation is one of the most delicate operations in heavy engine transportation. These giant engines are placed on special steel platforms due to their weight and delicate structure and carefully loaded onto multi-axle heavy carriers. Hydraulic suspension systems are activated to prevent shaking during transportation. The reactor pressure vessel installation is a key challenge in heavy engineering. This massive cylindrical core of the nuclear reactor is first precision made, then carefully lifted upright using giant cranes due to its extreme weight. Omega Morgan's shipping operations focus on the safe and gentle sea transportation of exceptionally heavy loads. The giant items are first secured to specialized transport platforms, then loaded onto ships in port using ramp systems or floating cranes. The Felbermayr Group is one of Europe's leading companies in heavy-duty transport and industrial transport operations. It specializes in the transport of extremely large and heavy loads such as giant wind turbine blades, generators, bridge girders, and reactor parts. Emmert International is a globally recognized specialist in oversized load transport. It transports non-standard loads such as transformers weighing hundreds of tons, giant turbines, bridge parts, and nuclear reactor components using special modular transporters. Spedition Kubler is one of the most specialized heavy-duty transport companies in Europe. It has a formidable engineering and logistics infrastructure, especially for the transportation of extremely wide, long, and heavy parts. Countless giant loads, from giant train locomotives to aircraft bodies, wind turbine towers to industrial press machines, are moved with Kubler's special multi-axle modular transporters. Balen Group is a company based in the Netherlands, primarily providing waste management, recycling, and demolition services. The company operates in the construction and industrial sectors. However, we do not have information to suggest that Balen Group specializes in heavy load or oversized load transport.
Here is a world where giants have taken over. The Skewral SBMT is the pinnacle of heavy-duty transport, the pinnacle of engineering, and a legend that rewrites the definition of the word power. This huge modular transporter is powerful enough to uproot and carry a building. Yes, you heard right. This beast is designed to carry structures weighing thousands of tons, giant ships, and even bridges. And it does this so flawlessly that it leaves nothing but fascination for its viewers. Are you ready to see the world's largest giant? Here is the Bell AZ 75710. This is not just a truck. It is an engineering monster designed to carry tons of weight. Such a monster that it amazes those who see it with its size and makes the impossible possible with its power. Imagine a vehicle that can carry a load the size of a football field. Yes, this giant has a load capacity of exactly 450 tons. Whatever people cannot carry is child's play for the Bell AZ 75710. Meet this incredible structure that pushes the boundaries of the world. The Mammoet PTC 200DS ring crane. This is not just a crane. It is one of the greatest legends of the weightlifting world. Its dimensions? It can reach heights of up to 246 meters. Its strength? It can lift a weight of 5,000 tons into the sky in a single move. This beast makes giant structures dance on the tip of its finger. Introducing the true champion of heavy transport, the Kamag K24 platform trailer. This is no ordinary transporter. It is a technological marvel specially designed for giant structures, tons of weight, and seemingly impossible loads. The Kamag K24 defies gravity and carries even the heaviest loads without any difficulty. This is not an ordinary transportation vehicle. Here is the Volvo FMX hydraulic trailer, which brings Volvo's power and technology to the top. This system, one of the kings of the roads, revolutionizes heavy-duty transportation. High durability, flexibility, and full control. This trailer is not a work machine, but the embodiment of an engineering marvel. Get ready to meet an incredible technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of the heavy transport world. Kameto Modular Trailer, the king of loads, the pinnacle of engineering, and the silent hero behind huge projects. This trailer amazes those who see it with its size and capacity. No matter how big or heavy it is, no load is an obstacle for it. The pinnacle of heavy-duty transport. Here are the Goldhofer modular trailers, a true masterpiece of engineering that carries tons of weight effortlessly. This trailer is not just a transport vehicle, it is a technological marvel that makes the impossible possible. Designed to carry the heaviest loads flawlessly, even in the most difficult areas. Meet the flexible and powerful hero of the transport world, the Faymonville Multimax. This is not an ordinary trailer. It is a combination of versatility and durability. A technological marvel designed to transport everything from construction to energy projects, from huge machines to large infrastructure elements. The Multimax redefines the boundaries in transport. Introducing the evolution of heavy transport, the Kameto MSB Evo 2. This is no ordinary transporter. It is an engineering masterpiece that carries tons of weight with ease. From industrial giants to energy projects, from bridge parts to giant ships, it can handle even seemingly impossible loads. The Kameto MSB Evo 2 is the perfect combination of power, control, and innovation in transport. Where is the secret of the Hitachi EH5000 AC3? Of course, it's in its capacity. This giant can carry loads up to 296 tons. That's the weight of about 50 elephants. And while carrying this load, it knows no obstacles even on the most difficult terrain thanks to its powerful electric traction system. Here is one of the most flexible and powerful heroes of heavy transport, the Squirrel Intercombi SP. This is no ordinary transport vehicle. It is an engineering marvel designed to effortlessly transport even the heaviest, most difficult, and largest loads. Its presence, even at the most complex points of projects, turns freight transport into an art. Meet one of the most powerful mobile cranes in the world, the Demag AC 1000-9. This huge crane is one of the legends of the engineering world, not only for its size but also for its extraordinary lifting capacity. This beast, which challenges the sky with its height and power, is the indispensable hero of construction sites. The pinnacle of heavy-duty transport and the king of forest roads, Kenworth T880 log trailer. This machine is not just a truck, but a show of power that carries tons of loads safely even in the most difficult terrain conditions. Starting in the forests and continuing its journey to industrial centers without any problems, the T880 revolutionizes log transportation. The real hero of forest roads, Volvo FH16 timber truck. This is not just a truck. It is a legendary machine in heavy-duty transportation with its power, durability, and engineering marvel design, easily carrying logs weighing hundreds of tons even on the most difficult terrain. This giant redefines the boundaries of the transportation world. What makes the Mafi Terminal Tractor so special? First of all, its load-carrying power. This machine can easily carry the heaviest containers and trailers. Moreover, it has an incredibly fast and flexible structure. Designed for jobs that race in seconds at the terminal, this tractor delivers impressive performance with every move. A giant. This machine scrapes and lifts the Earth's crust almost like a spoonful of ice cream. Just one bucket of material weighs 120 tons. Think about it, that's almost the size of an airplane. Can you imagine the power to lift and carry such an enormous load in seconds? This giant digger is the backbone of the mine. It turns the world's production wheels by extracting iron, coal, and more. With its incredible 45-ton weight, this beast easily crushes even the toughest materials underground. It's so powerful that it can level a huge area in just one move. Each of its tracks is a tour de force. The John Deere 1050K's huge blade can move tons of material forward in a single push. With it, difficult terrain is no longer a problem. It's as if the soil and rock bow to its will. This monster compresses the ground with tons of weight, making the surfaces as solid as concrete. This giant used in road construction compresses the asphalt or soil so much that even thousands of tons of vehicles passing over it cannot damage it. The power felt with each impact, The unique mechanical sound made when the cylinders of Bomag Series 5 hit the ground shows how seriously it takes its job. Speed, power, and durability, all together in this machine. Meet the extraordinary power of the Demag AC 300-6. This beast lifts huge steel beams, concrete blocks, and the heaviest loads you can think of as if they were feathers. It has incredible stability thanks to its 6 huge axles. It's not just a crane, it's a moving tower. This monster carries tons of loads at incredible speed, and the ground shakes with every move. Its 6.9 cubic meter giant bucket easily carries the heaviest loads of quarries and mines, and it doesn't even struggle. This machine, which is adept at grasping and carrying rocks, rubble, and all kinds of huge materials, is like the embodiment of a gigantic power. The real strength of the Super 3000-3i comes from its enormous paving width. Believe me, this monster can lay up to 18 meters of asphalt in a single pass. That's a real giant for building motorways and airstrips. It moves with incredible speed and precision over the surface, leaving a flawless layer of asphalt in its wake. It transforms roads into works of art with every move. This giant grader offers a combination of sheer power and precision. It levels surfaces with millimeter precision with perfect blade control. Used in construction projects, highway construction, and runway construction, this giant produces a smooth and durable surface every time. Watch it at work, and you will witness how raised surfaces are reshaped like works of art. The stair compactor offers incredible power compared to conventional compactors. It creates a perfect pressure distribution on the ground, turning the surface into a rock-solid foundation. Whether it's soil or gravel, this beast instantly makes any type of ground suitable for the project. When you watch its impressive performance, you'll see how this machine makes such a big difference. Thanks to its modular design, the Gomaco 3300 offers incredible flexibility and perfectly performs multiple functions. Whether pouring roadside barriers or shaping concrete curbs to perfection, this machine works like a master in every project. The fluid movements and millimetric precision it displays during concrete pouring fascinate everyone who watches it. Road Zipper. This incredible machine is not just a lane changer. It is an engineering miracle full of speed, practicality, and intelligence. You will be amazed while watching it, because this machine is not only redefining the roads, but also the concept of traffic management. The real talent of Road Zipper is that it can move concrete barriers almost as light as a feather. It saves both time and space by rearranging the lanes according to the changing traffic density at different times of the day. The real power of the Fontini GU70 RXC lies in its incredible cutting mechanism. Its huge, diamond-coated blades cut even the hardest marbles and granites like paper. With each movement, it shapes rock blocks weighing tons with millimetric precision. When you watch this beast at work, you will witness how natural stones are transformed into works of art. This machine shows its strength and determination everywhere, from underground mines to quarries. Watching it work is like a victory against nature's hardest materials. The real magic of the continuous rock miner is hidden in its uninterrupted working principle. Like a giant shark, it grinds every rock block in its path with its teeth and quickly prepares the materials for transport. It works uninterrupted for hours, ensuring maximum efficiency of time and labor in large projects. The real difference of the PowerCurber 5700C is its incredible versatility. This giant can create perfect barriers, pavements, and various concrete structural elements in a single pass. What's more, it increases both the speed and the quality of projects by demonstrating millimetric accuracy in every job. Buttpole SP1600 is a machine specialized in fast and precise concrete casting of large surfaces. Despite its huge size, it works with millimetric accuracy, ensuring a flawless surface. Whether it is a huge road project or a large storage area, this machine easily overcomes all kinds of challenges. The most striking feature of the CAT 724G is its incredible carrying capacity. This giant dump truck carries tons of weight effortlessly, while providing superior balance even on rough and difficult terrain. You can see this giant at work everywhere from mining sites to giant infrastructure projects. The impressive engine power and durable structure of the machine make it ready for even the most difficult conditions.